Hey friends, if you wish to configure the amount of disk space to use for offline files in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Now go to this path HKey local machine, software, policies, Microsoft, Windows and Netcache. Okay, so if you don't find this Netcache key, right click on Windows, new key and then name it Netcache. I'll delete this for now because I already have this key. And then in the right pane, you will have to create a DWORD 32-bit entry named DEF cache size. So ideally we need to change the value of this to 0, but if you have created it recently, then the value will already be 0. So you don't need to change anything in that case. And just restart your computer, and then the amount for disk space to use will be configured to 0. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.